Hey guys, it's Nikita and Abhinav, and we're going to be talking about corrective lens such as eyeglasses and contact lens.
So this is basically how our eye normally works. So the light is going to enter your eye through your pupil, and then it goes to your lens, which focuses the light on your retina. The lens is actually a biconvex lens. It's a normal lens, and you're going to see later how it gets affected as time goes on. And your retina, basically, this image forms upside down, and it basically translates the image, and it sends these signals to the brain. So that's how our eye normally works.
And that's why we see images the upright way. So sometimes the eye doesn't focus quite right because the surface of the lens or our cornea may not be smooth, the lens may not be able to change its curve to properly match the image, or the cornea may not be shaped properly.
And this all happens over time, so it's not any one incident can causes any of these things to happen.
And what does nearsighted mean? So lens focuses the image before the retina, causing a blurry image, and impairs the ability to see the distant objects, which is called myopia. If you're nearsighted, light rays focus too early within your eye, and they form a focus point in front of the retina instead of directly on it. So contact lens and eyeglasses help correct the nearsightedness by diverging light rays, which reduces the eye's focusing power. And this moves the eye's focus point backward onto the retina where it belongs.
What does being farsighted mean? Lens focuses the image after the retina. It impairs your ability to see nearby objects, and it's called hyperopia. If you are farsighted, your eye does not have adequate focusing power. Light rays fail to form a focus point by the time they reach the retina. Contact lenses and glasses correct farsightedness by converging light rays, which increases the eye's focusing power. This moves the eye's focus point forward onto the retina.
Now we have how different lenses can be used to correct the out-of-focus image in your eye.
Yeah, like we said, concave lens basically push the focus point back onto the retina, and convex lens basically bring it forward onto your retina, again, for hyperopia.
And contacts versus eyeglasses, we know that contacts and eyeglasses both work in the same way. However, eyeglasses cause poor peripheral side vision, and the distance between your eye and the glasses itself causes distortion. In fact, the optic zone of the eyeglass lenses is in the entire lens surface. So the optic zone of contact lenses is only a portion of the lens, which is surrounded by the peripheral fitting curve that does not affect our vision.
So it's basically something like looking out a small window in your house. If you're standing really close to the window, you have a large, unobstructed view of the outdoors. But if you're standing across the room from the window, your view outside is very limited.
Unless if you have a very large window. So we hope you learned about contacts and eyeglasses and how it affects our eyes and how our vision can be impaired, or in this case, it can be fixed. Thank you.
Thanks.